Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in, checking out the first of the PROvinyl monthly wrap-up. This is the first in a series of videos, so make sure you hit the subscribe button below. What we're going to be showing you in these videos is tips and tricks that our installers use, things to look out for when you're getting your car wrapped, and the ins and outs of the industry. Alright, so today in the shop we've got a couple of interesting things we can show you. First off the bat, we've got a Nissan N14 Pulsar that's been custom built and it's getting raced with 4 mounts in the Australian Pulsar Racing Association. We're going to put a nice racing livery across the side. Second off the bat, we've got a 944 Porsche that's been specially imported from Dallas, Texas, all the way over to Sydney. We're going to be putting a nice custom racing design across the side of that as well, really emphasising the sponsors that this one's going to be racing for. We're also doing some paint protection film today. First cab off the rank is a Porsche 911 Carrera DTS, so it's going to really protect it from stone chips on the freeway. And also we've got a track-ready Jaguar, which we'll show you as well, that's getting some paint protection film. Alright, so that's the end of our first monthly wrap-up. So please do leave a comment, share, subscribe on the video, and please follow us on Facebook to make sure you stay up to date on all of our videos. Leave a comment below if you've got any questions about any of your wrapping problems or any shops you want to work with, and we'll do our best to get back to you. And we'll be sure to see you next time on the monthly wrap-up video. Thank you.